Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez-Parker from Cultivating Learning. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take information that is formatted in a text file or like a Microsoft Word or a Google, and if it has been formatted with tabs in between, I want to show you how you can get it into a spreadsheet easily. So one way that you can do it is you can highlight the information and you can right click on it and you can copy it. And then you can open up a spreadsheet. And if you try to paste it regularly, it will just paste all in single blocks for each row. So that's not going to work. So I'm going to undo that. Instead, when you right click, you can choose Paste Special and choose Values Only, and then it pastes separating things into columns. Now, it might not be perfect because these maybe should all be over here, and if you're not paying close attention, everything could paste incorrectly. So I'm going to show you a different way. Instead of copying and pasting, I'm going to undo that. We're going to go to File, Import, and then we're going to locate that file, okay? So I'm just going to do a quick search for it. And I located it, and it opens up this way on your screen. So this is the name of the file that I was looking for, copy of MacBook assignments. I'm going to choose my import location. I want it to go into, it can create a new spreadsheet, or I can insert a new sheet, which would mean that I'd get an extra sheet down here at the bottom. I can replace the current spreadsheet, which is what I'm going to choose because otherwise I'm just going to have too many new tabs. So it's going to be inside this file called Importing a Text File, and it's going to replace this sheet 1. Separator type, I can let the computer detect it automatically, or if I know that it's a tab delimited file, I should choose tab. If I know it's a comma delimited file, I should choose comma. If it's a file and you know that it's separated by hyphens or some other, it might be just a space, you can hit the space bar or you can insert a hyphen here. But I'm going to go with detect automatically just to see how it does. If I don't like it, I can undo it. And then convert text to numbers, dates, and formulas. I'm going to say yes because that's the default. And this says import data. All data currently in this spreadsheet will be replaced, which is okay because this is blank. So I'm going to hit import data. I'm going to let the computer do its thing. And let's see how it loads. So it loaded, it looks exactly the same as it did when we did the paste special. Remember, we right-clicked and we chose paste special, and I can show you that by pasting it down here, and then we can compare. Paste special, paste values only, and here it is. It looks exactly the same. So it does appear, though, that these two belong over here, and that these might belong over here as well. So you just have to be careful and make sure that your text file is right, and you have to make sure that when it imports properly. But basically, as a quick review, you go to File, Import, you find your file, and then you answer the questions in the pop-up menu.